How to keep your audience engaged when you're offline, when you're not streaming. You don't want people to forget about you. In this video, we're going to talk about ways to keep your audience engaged with your content even when you're not streaming. This video is part of a series on how to become a successful Twitch streamer. This is How to Become a Successful Streamer, where I help you reach your full potential. Enjoy the ride! This series is in no way sponsored, so I would appreciate it if you guys buy my Stream Smarter No Harder merch. Available in multiple colors on the website tree.tv. Yeah, that's a website, cool, right? The first thing I want you to do is turn on your VODs on Twitch. This way people can watch back your streams, but also if they don't know if they're gonna like your content, they have a way of knowing if they like your content because they can watch some streams that you already broadcasted. A way of doing this is going to your creator dashboard, settings, stream, and here on the VOD settings it says store past broadcast. And click this button on automatically save broadcast for up to 7 days. For affiliates, this is 14 days. And if you are a Twitch partner, it's 60 days. But also if you have Twitch Turbo or if you have Twitch Prime, it is 60 days. So this is an extra benefit for people that have Twitch Turbo and Twitch Prime, which is very, very nice if you ask me. This is one of the reasons why I have Twitch Prime. Another way to engage with your audience when you're not live is having a YouTube channel, because YouTube videos will be there even if you're not there. You guys are watching this video even though I'm not recording this live. I'm not explaining this live to you, so you can just do this whenever and I don't have to be there every time explaining to you how everything works. You guys can just watch my tutorials. I'll be there. I do have multiple YouTube channels myself, which one of them is obviously my YouTube channel about streamer support. I do have one with Age of Empires videos, so what I do here is I post Age of Empires videos, where I cast Age of Empires videos, and I recently started to have a cozy gaming channel as well. And that channel is called Cozy Gaming Videos. I haven't really talked about it yet, so nobody knows that it exists. I haven't even subscribed to it with my other channel. So we have 2 subscribers. One of them just found me through my Travelers West videos, and one of them is Tom. Thank you, Tom. Tom just happened to always find me the quickest. Tom is just that one friend that finds me every time I do something new. He immediately sees it and jumps on it and subscribes. That's the best friend you can have, guys. But if you do like cozy gaming videos, subscribe to my cozy gaming channel. It's called Cozy Gaming Videos. I'll leave the link down below in the description because that's a lot easier for you. You don't have to search it. Another good way to keep in touch with your community is Discord. I happen to have a Discord server of mine as well. Look at those good mornings. You can have Discord servers about anything you like. For example, the food corner is one of our favorite places because we just love food. Memes is something that comes back a lot. And there's also a tree meme channel where there's just memes about me. People usually make screenshots of my stream where I look weird, and they post it in the tree meme channel. What you can also do is you can host community nights. Discord has this option to host events, and you can say, hey, this night we're all gonna watch a movie, but you can also say we're all gonna do Jackbox, or we're all gonna do golf with your friends, or anything like that, and you can host a community night, a come together with everybody in the community, or anybody that wants to be there at least. And that way you keep your community really lively. Another way to keep in touch with your community is social media. I'm on so many social media. I'm on X, which formerly called Twitter. YouTube is also kind of a social media, isn't it? But I'm not going to count that. Instagram, TikTok, I'm on Threads, Blue Sky, Hive, Mastodon, Facebook. I usually leave my tags underneath here in the video so you can find my socials. But if you start out and you are not on that many socials, that's okay. Choose a couple and be so active on those, because it's better to be active on a couple than just have a wasteland of social media that you never actually look on, because why do you have them anyway then? Another important thing is to hang out in other streams of where your community members are. If you are on your creator dashboard and you go down here, you can see insights for you, and it says your community, and it basically says these people are subscribed to me, and now I can find, hey, Silverlink right here is subscribed to me, and Silverlink has 1.2k followers, and nobody gets 1.2k followers without being a streamer. That would be weird. So Silverlink, I know Silverlink is a streamer, but we can already know Silverlink is a streamer. Here we see your viewers also watch, and then we can see Freshly Dan. Freshly Dan has rated us before. A Streaker True Everyone has rated us before. Meaning, we could give some love back, or we can hang out in their streams, say hello, and some of our viewers might be present at that time. We can have a connection with our own viewers by being in those streams, or having a connection with our own viewer, for example, Silverlink, who is one of our viewers as well, because they're the streamer themselves, by hanging out in their stream, being active in a streamer that is part of our own community as well. Something actionable for this video will then be to find somebody in your community that is a streamer and say hi in their stream once. At least once. Because now you know a tool where you can find out who is a streamer, so go say hi to somebody that is a streamer in your community that has watched you before. In the next video in the series on how to become a successful Twitch streamer, we're gonna take a look at how to improve your channel looks. So hop into that video with me, and I'll see you there.